Security data is growing exponentially, which means your data costs will double every 3 years. And it's not just costs that increase, so does complexity. On top of that, more than 50% of this data is redundant or noisy. The problem is, it's hard to tell what data is noise and what is critical. So to solve this, enterprises introduce error-prone manual filtering and parsing practices, or worse, ingest all of their logs into their scene. Meet Axoflow, a security data curation pipeline addressing this problem in a new way by automating the data curation process in the pipeline. First classifying the data by type, then transforming it, reducing it, and applying the proper destination schema, and finally routing it to the respective destinations. And all of this without manual configuration. Our platform is designed to handle carrier-grade syslog ingestion, making it a great fit even for the most demanding enterprise data use cases. Operating robust environments usually require thousands and thousands of lines of configuration, but not with Axoflow. No more static rules and regex. You can configure the data pipes in a declarative way relying on your policies for GRC. Axoflow also offers out-of-the-box insights on the health of your telemetry pipelines. Solving the problem with Axoflow means better data quality, significant cost reductions, and greater efficiencies. Ask for a demo today and let Axoflow help you reduce complexity and noise.